Welcome to Day 1 Spanish. I'm Carlos.
And I'm Lucia. Hola.
20 episodes, 8 minutes a day, 4 weeks. And here's the deal. This series takes you from absolute zero to being ready for our daily news podcast, LinguaWire A1 Daily Spanish News. 4 weeks from now, you'll be listening to real news, in real Spanish, every morning.
Which sounds impossible right now. It isn't. And we'll prove it to you in about 4 minutes.
One more thing before we start. Every episode comes with a free lesson sheet. Today's vocabulary, the related words, the grammar at linguawire.com/day1. And there's a 10-minute interactive homework there each day that locks in what you learn. Listen here, practice there, that's the system.
So Carlos, shall I scare them a little?
Go on. Every episode is built around one real news sentence. Lucia's going to read today's at real news speed, the speed you'd actually hear on Spanish radio.
La nueva presidenta es abogada.
Right now, that's probably noise. By the end of this episode, you'll understand every word. And you'll say it yourself.
Here it is, one more time, slowly. La nueva presidenta es abogada.
Let's start in the middle, with the most important word in the Spanish language, Lucia, the word for is.
Es. Es.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after Lucia out loud.
Es.
2 letters. And here's the first beautiful thing about Spanish, that one tiny word means he is and she is. Lucia, show them. He is.
Él es. And she is. Ella es. Él es. Ella es. Same little verb, both times. But Carlos, should we tell them the secret?
We should. Spanish usually drops those pronouns completely. Did you notice today's sentence? It doesn't say, ella es abogada. She is a lawyer. It just says, es abogada. The verb already tells you who's doing the being, so Spanish doesn't bother repeating it. The pronouns simply vanish.
Which sounds alarming and is actually a gift. Fewer words to say. Now the one you'll use about yourself. I am soy. Soy.
Go on. Say it like you mean it.
Soy. Not yo soy, just soy. One word, and it already means I am. No pronoun needed.
Es and soy both come from the verb ser, to be. And you cannot say anything in Spanish without it. The verb changes shape depending on who's doing the being. Don't memorize the logic today. The full table, I, you, he, she, we, they, is on today's lesson sheet at linguawire.com/day1. We'll use every one of them this month. Now, who is? Today's word for president, and you'll hear the English hiding inside it.
La presidenta. La presidenta.
Your turn. Repeat after Lucia and put the weight on den. Presidenta.
La presidenta. And Carlos, should we tell them why it ends in A?
We have to. This is the engine of the whole language. Every Spanish noun is either masculine or feminine, and the ending usually tells you which. Our president today is a woman. La presidenta with an A. If it were a man, Lucia.
El presidente.
Hear it? El presidente, la presidenta. Even the word for thee changes. El for masculine, la for feminine. Just 2 words for thee. Every noun gets one, and you learn them together, like a first name and a surname.
And it doesn't stop there. Our president isn't just any president. She's new. And new has to match her too. Nueva. La nueva presidenta.
Nueva with an A, because she's a woman. A new male president would be el nuevo presidente. Everything switches to O. In Spanish, the whole sentence dresses to match. Now you, the whole phrase. Repeat after her.
La nueva presidenta.
Last piece. What is she? A lawyer? And Lucia, This is my favorite thing in today's sentence.
It's everyone's favorite because something is missing. First, the word. A lawyer. A woman lawyer. Abogada. Abogada. Abogada.
Your turn. Repeat after Lucia. 4 syllables, wait on gay.
Abogada.
Now listen to the full phrase and tell me what's missing. In English, we say, she is a lawyer. Spanish says,
Es abogada.
is lawyer. No A. With jobs and professions, Spanish simply refuses to say it. She is lawyer, he is journalist, I am student. It sounds wrong in English, and it's perfect Spanish.
And of course, the gender system follows you here too. She's an abogada. He would be abogado. Abogada, abogado. A for her, O for him. Listen once more, then it's your turn. The whole thing. Es abogada.
Repeat after her. Take your time.
Es abogada.
The news professions, lawyer, journalist, minister, all in both forms, are on today's sheet. Learn those plus the LLA system, and you can already describe half the people in a Spanish news bulletin. Alright, here's where we started. The sentence that was noise 8 minutes ago. Lucia, slowly first.
La nueva presidenta es abogada.
The new president is a lawyer, and you can hear the whole system working. La nueva presidenta abogada, 4 A's, all agreeing with each other because she's a woman. Now, at real news speed.
La nueva presidenta es abogada.
Hear the difference? That's 1 sentence down, 19 to go.
And now the best part. Your turn. The whole sentence out loud. Repeat after me. La nueva presidenta es abogada. Muy bien.
So, day 1. You learned the verb to be soy, es, the vanishing pronouns, the LLA system, and the little word a that Spanish refuses to say before a profession.
Now make it permanent. Your lesson sheet is at linguawire.com/day1, free. The full table of SARE, the L-lay rules, and the news professions in both forms. And the homework is right there with it. 10 minutes, interactive, built on today's sentence.
8 minutes of listening gets the sentence into your head. 10 minutes of homework keeps it there.
Mañana. El presidente tiene 62 años.
The president is 62 years old. Except in Spanish, nobody is 62. They have 62 years. That's tomorrow's verb and tomorrow's lovely quirk. See you then.
Hasta mañana.